run with. And the Docker, if we use Docker, first we should pull down the image from Docker Hub, and with the command. Let's see how to because I have pulled it. I have put it to my my local because it may take a long time, so I have downloaded it before. So I want to pull it again, and after pull the image, we will run the Docker to create a container. But how to run? We can check out the doc. The doc is on the Docker Hub. We can wait a minute. Let's check it in the Docker Hub and search ArcBlock ABT Node. Oh, it's here, and open it. And we can see this is a page of the ArcBlock ABT Node on the Docker Hub, and we can see the install command. The run command in the doc, and let's copy this command. And I will run the command in the terminal. Before run the command, we must modify the some parameters. First is the port map, and the ABT node is run on port 2029. So we just map the 2029 port, and then set the shared volume, and I will mount my local temp files, temp folder at Docker ABT Node, and then we also need two environments. One is ABT Node, and the ABT Node domain. ABT Node domain is used by the ABT Node, and it's a IP or domain of the of the Docker service. So I will set it my local IP, and I will check what's my local IP. I will copy it. And then the port must be same as we just mapped, and it's 2029. And then the image ABT Node, ArcBlock image name ArcBlock ABT Node. And now let's try to run the command. Oh, sorry, I just used the port, so it can't be run at 2029. We change it to 1000 and modified. Okay, it shows started. The container is started. Let's check it. Use the container list. Okay, it started. Let's visit it in the browser, and with the local IP and the port we just set it. Sorry, not 2029. Let's copy. And the port is forgot. 10000. Okay, we can see a new a new ABT node is deployed, and also at first access we must set the owner, and I will do the same thing with the previous one. Wait a minute, and open my wallet and to scan the QR code. Okay, I have authorized it. Okay, and we can see the description is contains a Docker keyword. In the container, we no need to set it manually to set the name and the description and the blocklet registry, because it has been done by the container itself. Sorry, it is the Docker image itself. We just to confirm the name and the description in the page and complete. And also let's take a tour of the dashboard. We have see the Blocklet dashboard, and one thing we can see, the environment is in Docker. Yes, the site is running Docker. So this is how to run a Docker image. This is how to run the ABT node with our Docker image.